Alright, Aries doesn't like Velcro.
I'm sorry, baby. I won't do it no more. Say, you know, Boppy. Hi.
Why do you not like the Velcro, huh?
You feel better now? It's gone. You want me to pick it back up?
The eyes got huge. You don't have to be scared of the Velcro. Hold on to it. Alright. See, it's not scary. Okay. You want to pull it? Okay. Mommy won't do it no more. Look, see? See.
Say stupid Velcro.
Hey. Where's Mommy's kisses? Oh. Hey, what? They're not scared of it.
That's why he's got
Maybe a
real
little.
tears in his eyes.
Say bye-bye. Are you mad at me now? You're silly.